Get ready to give your Halloween party guests a fright with a deliciously creepy appetizer. The horrible hand ham and cheese board is a ghoulishly good centerpiece that's sure to be the talk of your spooky soiree. This gruesome yet tasty creation features a lifelike hand made from cream cheese, cleverly disguised with prosciutto to resemble exposed flesh and tendons. It's not just visually striking, but also a delectable combination of flavors that your guests will love to sink their teeth into. To create this macabre masterpiece, you'll need cream cheese as the base, mixed with roasted red peppers, fresh parsley, and a blend of seasonings including garlic powder, black pepper, and a pinch of cayenne for a subtle kick. The star of the show is the prosciutto, which will give your cheese hand its realistic skin-peeled appearance. The process begins by mixing the cream cheese with the peppers and seasonings. After chilling the mixture, you'll shape it into a hand using a template. The real magic happens when you carefully wrap each part of the hand with thin slices of prosciutto, creating an unnervingly realistic effect. The key to success is patience and attention to detail. Freezing the hand at various stages helps maintain its shape, while strategic placement of the prosciutto adds depth and realism to your creation. Serve your horrible hand very cold, surrounded by crackers or bread for dipping. For an extra touch of Halloween gore, add some hot sauce blood to the board. Don't forget to place a dagger nearby for dramatic effect. This horrible hand ham and cheese board is sure to be a hit at your Halloween gathering. It's a frightfully fun way to serve up some seriously good eats. So go ahead, give your guests a hand this Halloween. They might just scream with delight.